This is a video instruction on how to download and install the free demo version of the PlayCDG KJ Deluxe 64LT program, which we call henceforth 64LT in short. For the instruction on how to activate the free demo version to the full version, please go to the activation step below. We begin from our website cavsusa.com. Scroll down and click on the software karaoke players. Next, click on the PlayCDG KJ Deluxe 64LT program. Scroll down and click on the free demo on the left. Inside, there are 6 files to download beside the instruction. Click on each file to begin downloading. In case you're using our old website, go to Products, PC Software Karaoke, PlayCDG KJ Deluxe 64LT. Scroll down and click on Free Demo, and again you will see beside this installation instruction the 6 files to download. Now let's go back to our new website and continue. Having downloaded the 6 files, go to the Download folder in your PC. There you'll find the 6 files. Cut or copy the 6 files and paste them into a new folder in the C drive. In our example, we named the new folder as Install-PlayCDG KJ Deluxe 64LT. Paste the 6 files inside. Next, create a subfolder DirectX inside the folder Install-PlayCDG KJ Deluxe 64LT. Move the DirectX, one of the 6 files, into the subfolder DirectX. Double-click on the file DirectX and you will see an application file inside. Double-click on the application file and a pop-up screen will appear. Click Yes. You will next be asked for a location to extract the DirectX files. Browse to the subfolder DirectX and click OK. The DirectX files will begin extracting. Next, in the DirectX subfolder, find the dxsetup.exe application file. Double-click on the application file and follow the instruction to complete the DirectX installation. When the installation of DirectX is complete, return to the folder Install-PlayCDG KJ Deluxe 64 LT. Double-click on the file ffdshow. Double-click on the application file inside. Follow the instruction to complete the ffdshow installation. Note that you should not change any settings during the installation as they are preset for the 64 LT program. Again, go back to the folder Install-PlayCDG KJ Deluxe 64 LT. Double-click on the Matroska splitter. Double-click on the application file inside. Follow the instruction to install. Again, go back to the folder Install-PlayCDG KJ Deluxe 64 LT. Double-click on the File Setup screen. Double-click on the application file inside. Follow the instruction to install. When complete, a pop-up window may show a readme.txt file. Close the pop-up and return to the folder Install-PlayCDG KJ Deluxe 64 LT. Double-click on the FFmpeg. Double-click on the application file inside. When a pop-up screen appears, click on the Extract. When complete, press the Close button. A new subfolder named FFmpeg may open automatically. Close the subfolder and return to the folder Install-PlayCDG KJ Deluxe 64 LT. Next, double-click on the PlayCDG KJ Deluxe 64 LT demo file. You will see two folders and two files inside. Copy them all and paste them outside the zip file, that is, inside the folder Install-PlayCDG KJ Deluxe 64 LT. Double-click on the setup.exe application file. Depending on the computer, a pop-up screen will appear showing the Visual C++ libraries that are additionally needed in the computer. Click Install and the Visual C++ libraries will begin installing. After the Visual C++ libraries are installed, the 64LT program will begin installing. Follow the instruction to complete the installation. When the installation is complete, click Close. Also close the folder Install-PlayCDG KJ Deluxe 64 LT. At the Windows desktop, you will see a new 64LT program icon. Double-click on the icon to start the 64LT program. The program will begin in demo mode. The demo mode is different from the full mode in that it can play each song for only 1 minute, and it is not upgradable. The demo version is suitable to experience the features within the program, such as the e-songbook, the 3D customer interface, and the integrated mixer control. To purchase and activate the program to the full mode, please go to the Activation section for the instruction. This ends the video instruction on how to install the free demo version of the PlayCDG KJ Deluxe 64 LT program.